Thank for. I thanked her for helping me with my project. Apologize for. He apologized for being late to the meeting. Excuse for. He excused her for forgetting her anniversary. Blame for. Don't blame him for the mistake, it was an honest error. Account for. Can you account for the missing money from the budget? Hope for. We are hoping for good weather for the picnic. Wish for. I wish for your good health. Ask for. He asked for directions to the nearest gas station. Head for. We are heading for the beach. Vote for. I'll vote for a candidate known for their honesty. Scold for. She scolded her son for not doing his homework. Wait for. We'll have to wait for the bus to arrive. Apply for. My friend applied for a job at the new company. Care for. She cares for her elderly neighbor every day. Admire for. I admire her for her determination and perseverance. Pay for. You need to pay only $10 for this bag. Pray for. They prayed for the safe return of their lost dog. Suffer from. She has been suffering from fever for 2 days. Recover from. It took him a month to recover from the flu. Resign from. He decided to resign from his position as CEO. Abstain from. I decided to abstain from eating sweets for a month to improve my health. Hide from. The child hid from his parents during the game of hide and seek. Confide in. I confided in my best friend about my concerns at work. Participate in. You should participate in class discussion. Complain about. She complained about the noise from the construction site. Forget about. Don't forget about our meeting tomorrow. Talk about. They were talking about their upcoming vacation plans. Think about. I need some time to think about your offer. Worry about. Don't worry about the test, you have studied hard. Care about. They care about their baby and spend every moment ensuring she is happy and healthy. Laugh about. Don't laugh about someone else's misfortune. Think twice about. He didn't think twice about helping a friend in need, even if it meant sacrificing his own time. Boast about. He always boasts about his high score in the game. Dream about. I dreamed about flying last night.